What's up everyone, and good morning from Cascais. I just woke up early, like 5 o'clock, and I took a car out to this location called Cascais. It's by Estoril, which hopefully I can walk through later today. This spot right here, there are just no words, and instead I'll just show you. This place is unbelievable. So obviously there's some just breathtaking sights here. There's some amazing sights here. I just came out this way today just to relax. I've been doing a lot of like running around through the city and stuff like that. I just wanted to take some time and rejuvenate. So I brought some some audio books, some good stuff like that, and I'm just gonna like sit out here and check things out. Some of the best drone shots I think I've ever gotten. There's actually like a little scare in there. It said signals getting weak, and then it said transmission lost completely, and screen went black. And I had the drone out of view. It was below this cliff that I'm above, so I couldn't see if it was coming up. I was pushing up, I didn't see it coming up, and I thought it was just lost down there. It did come up, I got it back, and so I have some amazing footage. So I've never seen anything like this before. I didn't even know how to describe this, so I'm just gonna keep showing you all.
The satellites explode. It must be bad news overload. Then we salute eternity and pay our final.
So, absolutely wonderful here. I'm going to definitely take the drone up again. I just keep finding new parts of the coastline that look even different. Some are like long cliffs and some are like jagged, like scary looking cliffs. Like some are like flat, rocky things like this. So cool, it feels like I'm on the moon out here. Anyways, we will continue. Okay, those are definitely the best views I've ever seen. I hope they are the same for you. Now though, definitely way past time to get some food, so let's see where's open. So, I did some walking. I'm in front of the Cascais Marina. And there's tons of boats here, sailboats, nice big boats, whole bunch of nice cars, cool stuff around here. Lots of shops, ice cream shops. Still not have yet to get any food. It's still not even 11 a.m. A lot of places are just opening. I just walked around the marina and checked out all the boats. Hey everyone, just wanted to add in here. I just finished editing the video and I realized I never signed off. From here, video's done. It took about 3 hours. I have a craving for ice cream, so I think I'm gonna make that run right now and go get some ice cream. You all are great. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it. Also subscribe and share it with people you know if you think they will also enjoy it. So like always, I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you.